The Baseus Eli Sport 1 are a new open ear style TWS earphone that actually have guided air conduction, which will basically make your listening experience a lot more immersive while still being able to hear your environment around you. On-in-ear design mitigates discomfort and protects your ears from long-term fatigue when it comes to listening to music at high volumes. Now, the Eli Sport 1s excel in a number of different ways, and I'm going to be talking about that in this video, so make sure you guys stay locked in to the end of the video. But if you're brand new to the channel, I truly appreciate you for coming through if you're new. But if you're already a part of the crew, salute. Be sure to watch to the end of the video because we're going to be doing a microphone test and a quick unboxing right here. So one of the things you're going to be getting when it comes to the Eli Sport 1 is 360-degree comfort when it comes to the soft material that they use for the ear hooks. The Eli Sport 1s consist of a superb sound quality due to the rich detail and punchy audio coming out of the 16.2mm oversized driver with bass enhancement algorithm. You're also going to get a Type C to Type A cable, which is medium length, and it's going to basically allow you to charge these earphones on the go, as well as a removable neck band, which will allow you to have more of a sturdy fit when you're doing workouts and a lot of outdoor physical activity. The Eli Sport 1s have a case which has a reset button on the outside, as well as a Type-C charging port and a glossy bottom with a metal material which houses the name of the headphones, as well as the plastic top. When it comes to the battery, you're going to be getting 30 hours with 50% volume and 7.5 hours on a single charge with each earphone at 50% volume. The case weighs about 84 grams or 3 ounces, and these headphones do produce 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz, which is going to be the normal frequency when it comes to detailed audio. You're also going to be getting 2 hours when you charge these up for 10 minutes, which is going to be really cool because that allows you to actually, use these throughout the day without worrying about having to be connected to a charger. The Baseus Golden Tech Pack gives you a combination of useful features like multi-point connection, allowing you to seamlessly connect 2 devices at the same time, 10 minutes of charging, giving you over 2 hours of battery life, the low latency when it comes to the gaming at 0.06 seconds. And it's just going to give you a detailed listening experience, especially with the IPX4 for water resistance. So when you're doing workouts or in the gym or just outdoors and you're running or maybe biking or cycling or anything like that, these will be the perfect earphones because they have the detachable and attachable neck band that allows them to stay connected to your person. One of the things I really like about the Eli Sport 1s is the really cool robot looking design. When you open up the case and you pair them, it looks like 2 blinking eyes. And when you put them back in the case, it looks like the eyes are sleeping. And when you wake it up, it looks like it's waking up and blinking. I definitely like the aesthetic of the LEDs on each earphone when it comes to looking at it in the case. It definitely gives it a really nice, awesome look and aesthetic. They brought out some really cool features with the Baseus app with the custom button controls, custom EQ, and the ability to locate your earphones if you actually did misplace them. And you can connect the Eli Sport 1 simply by lifting up the hood and locating the Eli Sport 1s on your smartphone. It's just a really simple and painless pairing process. Another thing that's very favorable about the design of the Eli Sport 1s is the overall weight and materials that they use, which is a titanium memory wire adapted into different ear shapes so that you can wear these for long periods of time. They also do include the baby skin silicone, friction-free materials, which offer a soft, ultra comfortable, lightweight feel. One huge benefit is that these do intensify when you activate the feature called low frequency sound, which is going to give you the ability to bring out the deep bass on most tracks that you want to hear, like trap, R&B, rock and roll, and a whole lot more. But I definitely think these have a bass heavy presence with the bass enhancement algorithm, which is going to identify and intensify when you turn that on. I do like the ability to customize the EQ on the Baseus app, which is going to allow you to basically use gaming mode on here, turn on the bass mode, or customize any one of the EQs to your own liking. You do also have the ability to turn the volume up by long pressing, triple tapping to change the songs forward and back, and a double press will actually pause and play. And they do have a few other modes that you can customize, like turning on the gaming mode or Google Assistant, but just keep in mind you do have to turn that on manually. And so another thing that I found helpful is not only you're going to be able to listen to your environment outdoors or in any situation and you still be aware of your surroundings, but you're also going to be having full control of your music anywhere you go as well with the touch controls. But I really do like the directional acoustic technology because they basically eliminate leaks to protect your privacy perfectly when you're in enclosed environment. But do me a solid, if you're still here, just type down in the comment section, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm, okay? And if you wanted to pick these up, they do come in the green that I do have here. They also come in an all black and an all white color as well. And you can save 30% off right now because they're originally $80, but they're marked down at $55.99. And so you can pick these up for a really good price because the bass heavy instrument sounding listening experience on these is definitely going to be pleasurable when you're listening to any music or genre. And when it came to the gaming mode on low latency mode at 0.6 seconds, I definitely noticed that most of the sounds matched up perfectly.
Hey, what's going on, guys? So this is the Baseus Eli Sport Ones. So let me know what you guys think about the microphones when it comes to the overall audio quality while I'm talking. And there is a little bit of fan noise and a little bit of TV noise in the background. So let me know what you guys think about the overall audio when it comes to hearing my voice. So let me know what you guys think on a scale of 1 to 10, okay?
The Eli Sport Ones use 4 ENC mics that allow you to be heard with the AI algorithm that separates the voice from other noises to achieve the most ideal and ultra clear listening quality on phone call. But I could definitely say that the Eli Sport Ones are gonna benefit the person who lives an active lifestyle and who uses earbuds to work out, who is especially interested in ultra comfort and a lightweight design, as well as charging them up rapidly and getting the best bass quality with that open ear style. I definitely think these will pack a punch and have a number of features and controls that'll be well worth it. But let me know what you guys think about the Baseus Eli Sport Ones in the comment section. If you're still here, just type down below, I'm still here, so I know you're still kicking it with me. And I just want to remind you to hit the like button so we can get this video out to more people and help beat the YouTube algorithm. Okay, I'll check you guys later. I'll hit you back later too. Peace.